no.
Good topic for a children's book. All right, let's talk to Lonnie here now. And going to get hot this week as it goes
That
on.
becomes the story now. Now we start focusing on how the temperatures go back to that hot and humid stuff up to like 90 degrees above as well for some of you. Let's check in with the weather watchers and see what we have out there as far as the readings go. Or maybe it's a day. You know what? Maybe we should check in on some pictures today. All right, this has really been the story of Hermine for this area. Onshore, it wasn't so much. It was offshore where those waves were churning and pushing. Well, there's a surfer in the middle of that, or I think maybe he fell off the board, but there's a surfboard in the middle of that, and the waves have been the story. And there's been some beach erosion because of it, but that is what Hermine served up in this area. Let me show you what I've got right now in New York City. The picture overhead, kind of cloudy. There's some light rain out there. 79 degrees, winds north-northeast at around 15. Temperatures, Maurice was just saying, it's going to get hot out there. It sure is. Now, as of right now, look, you got a 70-degree reading in Comac. Cloud cover out there, a little bit of rain for you. Go just a little further south, and let's go down to like Philadelphia, where it's 87. Look at D.C., 93 degrees. This is the air mass that will eventually get pumped into our area for Thursday and going into Friday. Taking a look here at the rain. Again, it's out there like around Nassau, Suffolk County, a little bit into New Jersey as well. Not terribly strong. These are just the outer fringes of Hermine, of what's left of Hermine. This cold front that we see back around Michigan, this will push Hermine out of here, and that's going to take place. Tomorrow she starts to go, but you still have some leftover cloud cover, and you've got some breezes that you're dealing with. Even when, you know, by the time you get to Thursday, then you'll tap into some better weather, but this could even serve up a little shower chance, maybe a storm on Thursday. It's a 20% chance, but overall, it's going to get better out there. So what are we going to spend some time talking about? The surge, okay, that was going to be one of the problems. Well, what happened to the big surge? Was that out there at all? What was the worst that we experienced? And is there anything else in the tropics? As for the surge, it's all dictated by the winds. Those winds need to come in right off the ocean. Didn't quite happen that way. This is kind of so tightly wound up. Zoom in a little tighter there. Look at this. Most of our area dealing with some kind of a northerly wind. It's certainly a northerly wind along the Jersey Shore. I do want you to just, stay on alert out around Riverhead. It could be piling up in your bay like around there. What about the biggest gust that we had? It was a 49-mile-per-hour gust. We can handle that. It was a buoy reading that we had off of Suffolk County. And then if you take a look at what else is out there, off we go. Barry, don't get too dizzy. I'm taking you all the way down to the coast of Africa, Cape Verde Islands. There's a system here that we watch with a 60% chance of formation. If it was to get a name, looking down the road, I'll of course watch it. It would be called Ian, but that is yet to be determined. So you're 85 tomorrow. Hermine is exiting, so you still have some cloud cover out there, maybe a little bit of rain as well. Thursday, 90 degrees, there's your heat. And there's maybe a 20% chance for some rain or a storm as that front comes through. 92 Friday, 90 on Saturday, so the heat will be back, guys.
Wow.
Summer's not over.
Hot.
Not over yet.
All right.
Summer until the 21st.
That's
still
right.
summer.
Squeeze it out. Thank you, Lonnie.